channel. So yesterday I got a good deal on this Samsung Note 8. It is a grey color phone. So come we'll unbox it. I got a really good deal. It's 64 GB storage and 6 GB RAM. Yeah, come. This is the box. I got it refurbished. So the box condition looks fine. As you can see, it's 16.05 centimeters full rectangle and 15.85 centimeter rounded corners. It is a dual pixel 12 megapixel OIS plus 12 megapixel OIS. It has a 8 megapixel AF selfie camera, IP68 water and dust resistant, so it's like resistant even to dust and water. And you get wireless charging, yeah, and 64 GB RAM, 64 GB memory and 6 GB RAM. It supports wireless charging, and the earphones are AKG. So let's look at the phone. This is the packaging. As you can see, the seal is already broken. This is a phone. Let's keep the phone aside and let's see the accessories. Okay, so this is the fast charging plug which comes with the phone. These are the earphones by AKG. It is partnered by AKG. This is the wireless charging cable, the charging cable. These are the extra earplugs, and this is a free case which comes with the phone. Okay, so let's go see the phone now. This is the back. It's a grayish color. This edge screen. Let's turn it on. So this is what it shows in the starting. Okay. Okay, so here it is charged. It supports Face ID and also fingerprint. This is a fingerprint scanner. These are the two cameras. This is a torch. It's written Samsung here. Let's switch it on. Okay, switched on. As you can see, the screen is really good, and side, the edge screen also you can see. See the edge. Okay, so now we are going to see the camera. Okay, this is the camera. This is a wide angle. See here. This is the normal. No, this is a wide angle actually. This is a normal camera. This is a video. The screen is OLED, by the way, so it's pretty smooth. This is a video, photo, live focus. You can you can blur the background, as you can see. This is a pro mode. This is panorama. This is food. I think it recognizes all the food types. Okay, let's see what else is there. Yeah, there's super slow-mo. There's slow motion. This hyperlapse. So these are all the camera modes. Now I will show the photos. So now we are going to check the brightness of the phone. Let's go here. Okay. This is the lowest. This is the highest. As you can see, it's a really bright screen. And it's really smooth. Overall, it's actually a nice phone. Okay, I think this is for the Samsung Pay and all. Okay, now let's put the, and it's also, since it's glass, it's a fingerprint magnet actually. So let's put the case. This is a S Pen over here. This is the same color as the phone. It's also pretty smooth. It's like not laggy. You can 1 minute. Let me just go to Samsung Notes. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, it works. Don't see that. I drew that before. You can use it for drawing. You can draw anything. It's a nice phone for drawing and all. You see, even though it's like 2 years old, I think it's a really good phone even for 2021. It's actually a massive phone compared to like normal phones. Okay, so this was my review. Thanks for watching. See you next time.